Hi, my name is Felipe, and I've been a Care credit card holder for 6 months now.
Hi, I'm Dr. Farouz Badri. I've been a dentist for 23 years and a care credit provider for 18 years.
I live in Los Angeles, California, and I love to hike. On the weekends, you'll see me just really taking advantage of everything that the city has to offer in terms of an outdoor lifestyle.
Routine care is very important for patients, and it's very important to me. Prevention is the cure.
I was experiencing a toothache, and it became a thing where I was no longer sleeping well at night. I was tossing and turning. I was distracted when I was, going out for runs because of the COVID of it all. And I was very nervous about going to the dentist's office.
I'm all about safety. I'm all about my patients and my staff. The office is very safe. It's disinfected multiple times during the days. They really don't have anything to fear.
So I went in and we had a really good conversation with the dentist. I instantly felt welcome and comfortable in that space. We quickly came to the root of the issue being that I needed to get a crown procedure. I instantly kind of just had an internal freak out. Wow, how am I going to afford this? We haven't even talked about a specific number, but in my head, I already know this is gonna be something outside of my limit. And that's where Care Credit was presented to me.
I don't offer anything to my patients that I don't believe in myself. I love being a care credit provider because it empowers my patients to get the treatment they want or they need.
Because of Care Credit, I can get back on my dental routine. Because of Care Credit, I can get back into my everyday lifestyle of jogging, of hiking, of being a happy person again. Thank you, Care Credit. Because of you, I got through this. I was able to take care of myself, and I'm back to being me.